In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify URL. This is a straightforward process that can make a big difference in how your store is perceived online. Whether you're rebranding or just setting up your store, you'll find these steps easy to follow. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to the Shopify website. It's essential to start from the Shopify homepage because this will ensure you're not already logged into an account, which can sometimes lead to confusion if you have multiple accounts. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, your next move is to log into your account. Look for the login option. Clicking this will bring you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Here you'll be prompted to provide your email address. Type it into the designated field carefully to avoid any typos that could prevent you from logging in. After entering your email, you'll be asked for your password. It's crucial to ensure your password is entered correctly, so take your time. If you've correctly entered your details, you'll now be able to click on Login to access your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the My Store Leech homepage. This is your Shopify admin dashboard where all the magic happens. From here, you'll want to navigate to your store settings to make changes to your URL. Look for the settings option, which is typically found at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Inside your settings, click on My Store. This section is where you can make various adjustments to your store's profile, including the URL. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's where you'll manage many of your store's critical details. Upon clicking My Store, you'll have the option to edit your profile. Here you can adjust various settings, but we're focused on the URL. So proceed to click on Edit Profile. This will allow you to update your store's information. You'll notice fields for different bits of information about your store. Since our goal is to change the URL, navigate to the section where your current Shopify URL is displayed. It's time to type in your new URL. Remember, this will be the new address for your Shopify store, so choose something that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. After typing in your new desired URL, you have two choices: save or cancel. If you're satisfied with the new URL you've entered, go ahead and click save. If you've changed your mind or entered the URL incorrectly, clicking cancel will disregard any changes you've made. Now let's talk about domains, because changing your Shopify URL is one thing, but you might also be interested in adding a custom domain. Navigate to the domains section from the same settings menu where we've been working. In the domains section you have a couple of options. If you don't already own a domain, you can click on Buy New Domain. Shopify makes it easy to search for and purchase a domain directly through their platform. If you type in the domain you're considering, Shopify will check its availability. If it's available, you can proceed to highlight and purchase the domain. Once purchased, Shopify will automatically connect your new domain to your store, making the transition seamless. However, if you already own a domain you wish to use, click on Connect Existing Domain instead. You'll then type in the domain you own and highlight it to confirm. Shopify provides straightforward instructions to ensure the domain is correctly pointed to your Shopify store. Lastly, for those simply wanting to change to a new myshopify.com domain, there's an option for that as well. Click on Change to a new myshopify.com domain, type in your new Shopify domain, and then decide whether to add this domain by confirming or cancel with the Cancel option. After you've made any changes to your domains or updated your Shopify URL, it's always a good idea to double check everything is functioning as it should. Visit your new URL to ensure it leads to your store, and consider making a test purchase to ensure that the checkout process is smooth for your customers. And there you have it. You've just learned how to change your Shopify URL and manage your domains. Remember, your URL is a crucial part of your store's identity online, so make sure it accurately reflects your brand and what you sell. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tutorials on how to get the most out of your Shopify store.